What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Kai from Ninjago. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left. So we're going to start from the very top, work our way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now we move all the way over towards the right side. We're going to line up the top and draw that same size circle. Let's add a small circle along the top for the highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now you want to give our character some eyebrows. So starting from the inside, we're going to bend this up and then out towards the side. Let's curl up the inside of the brow, coming in and then up. Now I'm going to add some thickness, coming down, up, and then taper out towards the end. Now we're going to line up the top edge of the eyes, move out to the side, draw a straight line coming down. And then from here, we're going to pull the mask up towards the center. So starting on the left, coming in just underneath the eye, round up the middle, come down underneath the right eye, and then bend that out. Let's add a fold across the edge of the mask, coming around and then bending that in. Now we're going to tuck the left side in underneath, so we're going to step out, come down and in, then bend that down towards the middle. Round at the bottom, go across, and just tuck that in on the right side. Now let's add some hair coming across the head. So on the left side, we're going to step out, come in towards the eye, go around the eyebrow, and then up towards the top. Let's bend this down across the forehead, over towards the right eye, go up, and then bend that out towards the left. Now I'm going to add one more point. Coming out and down, bend that up. Now on the side, I'm just going to close this off, coming down towards the right side of the head. Now we're going to draw the outside of the hair. Let's start from the edge of the mask, then it's out and then up. Along the side, we're going to add a fold, going around, up, and then in. Now I'm going to add one point, bring this out, in, and then up. Pull this in and then down. Now I'm going to add another layer, stepping up, going up, and then over towards the right, come in, and then down. Let's add another layer, starting from here, bend this out and up, come around the outside, and then bend that in, and we'll add one more, going out, come in, bend this outside, and then pull that in towards the head, and we're going to add a fold, coming up, coming down, and then in. Let's add a bandage on the top right, bending this around, flatten off the ends, and round out the outside. I'm also going to add a scar above the left eyebrow, going up, then one along the outside of the eye. Now with the head complete, let's draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, underneath the mask, bend this out, and then down towards the waist. Go all the way over towards the right side, come down towards the same height, and then we'll just round out the bottom. Let's add that same curve along the top for the belt. And then in the center, add the collar, going out and then up to the left, and then the right. We're going to trace this along the outside, coming in behind the belt. Let's add a circle in the center of the body. Now we're going to add some flames across the bottom. Starting from the left, it's going to bend this up. And it's going to work our way across with these points, all the way over towards the right. Let's go to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And then we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and then do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. down and up on the left and the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We're gonna round up the foot. We're gonna go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we'll go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the foot, and follow that curve coming in towards the heel. I'm going to add 2 curves on either side. Let's start from the top, I'm going to go up, and then down, and then draw 1 more. Let's add a strap going across the leg, starting on the left, coming down and in, line that up on the right, step down and draw that again. Now on the inside, draw 1 straight angled line. Now over on the left side, I'm going to add the belt coming down. Bend this out and down, angle it down and in. Now I'm just going to taper this back up so it gets narrower. Now I'm going to place the arms along the side of the body. We're going to move halfway down, right about here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right. Let's round out the cuff. We're going to bend this out and then up. Let's bend the outside of the arm going up and then in underneath the head. Now I want to tuck the hands in underneath the cuff. From either side, I'm just going to round this out, come in, almost like drawing a circle with a gap along the bottom. Let's round out the inside with a small curve going back out. And we'll close off the inside of the hand, going all the way around. Now we're going to do the exact same thing over on the right. And then finally, we're just going to layer the sword in behind the body in an angle. Let's start on top of the left shoulder. Start with a straight angle line going up. Step in. Now we're just going to taper this so it gets narrower. And a straight line going across. Just flatten off the ends. Flatten off the top. I'm just going to add a cap along the end. Now I want to follow this all the way down towards the right hip. Draw the edge of the sword. Come down, bend that up, draw a straight line coming back in behind the hand and the body. And then we'll add some texture across the handle, starting from the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Kai from Ninjago. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.